There's a big announcement out of the Northland. Here's a live picture from Riverside, Missouri, where officials are sharing the big news. Let's go ahead and listen into what's happening.
East of Horizons Parkway, of the total 486 acres that we own, and the other 400 acres that is owned by others. This is just the beginning. Today, we will set the table for opportunities and offer invitations to prospective occupants and tenants to start or grow their business, create jobs in a sustainable and economically viable environment. There will be no greater legacy. There are plenty of people in this room to thank for believing and staying committed to our hopes, dreams, and aspirations.
All right, so this is the city of Riverside talking about a big announcement in that city where they're talking about the development of nearly 900 acres, 486 acres owned by some people, and as well as some 400 or so acres owned by the city. Let's go to Lindsay Shively with more on this development. Lindsay, can you tell us what the plans are?
Yeah, Curtis, I'm just getting my first look at them. They just put out some concept drawings of what this is going to look like. Horizons is this 260-acre site. It's bordered by I-35 on the south and east and by 9 Highway on the north. And this has been sitting undeveloped, well, forever. It's never been developed, but they've been working on this land for about 10 years. Since the flood of '93, they had to build levees here, and now they're finally going to get some use out of it. They are saying they're going to spend $12 million turning this into a park-like setting that has 25 acres of lakes, 3 miles of tree-lined canals, several buildings that they are looking for tenants for now, and an amphitheater as well, a community amphitheater. And this is going to be a huge deal for the city. They are estimating it's going to bring in at least 5,900 jobs, and they say construction is going to start this year. Curtis?
What kind of development? You had mentioned, you know, an amphitheater and things like that, but are we talking about like shopping centers and anything that you can tell us of maybe possible shops headed that way?
Well, from first look, you know, Briarcliff Realty is the developer, and they have Briarcliff Village, which is a shopping district, maybe a little more than a mile from this. So I don't think this is meant to be competition to that. I think this is meant to be completely different. It looks like a park setting. They have all of these lakes. They have a lot of buildings there, canals all the way around it that are lined with trees, and the amphitheater. So it's not necessarily meant to be a shopping district just from first glance, Curtis.
Okay. All right, Lindsay, thank you. I'm sure they're going to have more tonight at 5 and 6 and later newscasts. But if it's going to bring, like you said, some 5,000 jobs, that is some good news. Once again, this is out of the city of Riverside and the announcement of a big development in that area.